GIS stands for Geographical Information System. Simply put, GIS is a business information management system that helps us capture, analyze, and present spatial information on a map. GIS allows us to make better decisions using geography. What can GIS do for you? Every day, millions of decisions are powered by GIS. Retailers use GIS to pinpoint the best locations for new stores and stock items that match local customers' needs. GIS is used by the conservation organizations to predict the likely consequences of global warming. Utilities organizations use GIS to respond promptly and efficiently to reported power outages. Police forces use GIS to discover patterns in criminal activity and plan operations much more strategically. Resulting patterns and trends can then be seen on a digital map, much easier than viewing the data on spreadsheets. How does a GIS work? GIS software runs on computers, ranging from the most powerful server to software on your mobile phone. In a GIS, information about the real world is stored as a collection of thematic layers linked by geography. Each layer contains similar features, such as streets or rivers. People can then analyze geographic data using GIS tools and visualize geographic data as maps, graphs, or charts. Patterns and trends can easily be identified, so information that was previously buried in a spreadsheet now comes to life. Let me give you some examples. Retailers like Nike and Levi Strauss use GIS to avoid making costly mistakes when opening new retail locations. The Department of the Environment uses GIS to manage conservation in our national parks, maintain the biodiversity of our landscape, and preserve our national monuments and sites of architectural heritage. GIS helps the Department of Education to make sure they provide the right number of school places for children in the right locations. The police service in Northern Ireland harnessed GIS to make smarter use of intelligence, which helps reduce crime and costs. In short, GIS allows us to make better decisions using geography. Complex analysis is made simple, and decisions become clear.